Good morning and happy Monday. Sorry, I just woke up. It's gonna be a busy week with schoolwork. This is the last week before my spring break. I know I'm gonna have lots of work to do, so I don't know how interesting it'll be. Got up early. I'm gonna do some stuff before class because I didn't finish everything last night. LOL. I'm so late. Whatever. Stressed, but that's okay. Kind of being productive, kind of not. I'm tired and I want to go to bed early, so I'm leaving now. Good morning. Currently 5:38 in the morning. I have a solid core class. Let's go. Good class. I woke up this morning like really wanting a smoothie bowl. The only issue is that it's 7:30 in the morning and my roommate is asleep and the blender is so loud. I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so I have my smoothie, the blender, and this part. Look how pretty she is. This gorgeous smoothie bowl you just saw, made with sprout protein. They reached out to me and sent me some samples, and from what I've tasted on the spoon, it tastes delicious and I'm very excited. It's all vegan plant protein. This one's a vanilla flavor. Thank you, Sprout Living. But life has been so busy recently. I've been very stressed, so I'm kind of just getting around to like posting and working with these people. But honestly, I really like this product from what I've tasted, and I'm excited to dive into this bowl. Happy Tuesday. Now that the photo shoot is over, we can enjoy. That is good. Cheers. Finished that. So I took a video of making this because I want to post about the Sprout Living protein powder, because honestly that was so good, probably the best. Some vanilla protein powders can be like sickly sweet or just a weird texture, but that was like super light, blended so well. It was like a nice vanilla flavor, not like sickly sweet. I took like videos making it. I actually edit them. If they're longer like this, I turn them sideways and edit them in iMovie on my phone, because it's just a lot easier to cut and clip the video together. You have to turn it sideways because the iMovie on your iPhone only works in landscape. I'll show you when I'm done. I have a newly discovered love for pears. It's so soft and just, I think it's an Asian pear. Very pleased with my work. Look at it. My camera died, but basically I'm just saying if you have trouble like enjoying meals or you're in recovery, I don't know, struggle with food and food inspiration or just feeling good around your food choices, I have found that presenting it in a way that really makes me happy and just kind of being creative with it makes it a lot more fun. And you know, it's like an artwork piece I made and now I get to enjoy it. That's just one tip I have. I will enjoy my toast. Happy Toast Tuesday, everyone. Hello. It is currently 3:15 in the morning. I've been listening to podcasts. This one is Emma Chamberlain's Anything Goes, Good Habits, which actually has been really good. I like her advice. She was talking about seasonal like affective disorder, which is basically just like a bigger term for seasonal depression, and I definitely have experienced that this year and past years. This year it hit pretty hard. It definitely was interesting to hear her perspective on it. She mentioned a few things, but definitely for me, I personally want to work on reading. That's a big one. That's literally been on my goals list for this year, and I know it's only March, I still have time, but I've never been a reader. I have a stack of books back there, bought a few books. I've got like a third of the way through the first one. It's not that I don't like it, I really like it, but I just have trouble finding time when I'm reading. I feel like I should be quote unquote more productive doing something else, but my brain tends to go to other places of like, what else could I be doing that's more productive, or I don't know. So if you relate to that, it's a struggle. The other thing she does is meditate for 10 minutes a day. I think that is honestly amazing, and again, something I've been wanting to do, but hard to kind of see it as productive enough. Getting ready for the day, I do that too. Even just putting on a nice outfit that coordinates. It could still be sweats, like I like to dress comfortable, but even just putting myself together, doing my hair, or just putting on a cool pair of sunglasses, like just little things like that, I feel like honestly do help make the days more exciting and more fun, even if all I'm doing is walking to a coffee shop and doing work. Another thing she mentioned, which I do also, is giving myself things to look forward to throughout the week or at the end of the week. That has been a huge game changer for me. I think I feel my worst when I feel like there's no way out sometimes, or there's nothing to look forward to, or there's no reason to kind of pull myself together. Not that like there has to be a reason. Yeah, I need to go to bed. On that note, I'm gonna go to bed and see you tomorrow. Good morning and happy Thursday. It's currently like 10:30 in the morning. I let my body rest, obviously, because I went to bed quite late last night, but I made another smoothie bowl. So yummy. But I booked a yoga class tonight, which I have never done a yoga class by myself. So I'm excited for that. Something I can look forward to at the end of the day. I packed a lunch, but then I forgot to bring it with me. So I just stopped at a deli and got a falafel wrap, which I'm not mad about because it looks so yum. Look at it. That class was literally exactly what I needed. It was their yoga sculpt class. Combo of some cardio with some yoga, and just I feel so relaxed. We did a whole shavasana meditation at the end, and I feel so refreshed.
Transfer 0.